Run most of your meetings in Google Meet? Here's how to get Fathom recording and transcribing every call, so you finish each meeting with a full AI summary and action items without typing a single note. Google Meet has one extra step that Zoom and Teams don't need: the Chrome extension. Open Fathom, go to Settings, scroll to Fathom Apps, and click Install next to Chrome extension. The Chrome store opens on its own. Hit Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After that, a sign-in prompt will come up. Click Sign In to existing account to finish up. The extension is now running in your browser. Now launch Google Meet the way you always do. Click New Meeting, then start an instant meeting. Once you're in, you'll spot a Start Recording button from Fathom inside the call window. Click that to get things going. Fathom will knock on the door asking to come in as a participant. Click Admit to let it in. It shows up in the participant list, which keeps things transparent. Everyone in the call can see the recordings happening, and the live transcript starts rolling right away. Since there's no one else in this call right now, I'll just click Skip and Start Recording Now, and Fathom jumps straight into recording. Same as always, whenever something worth saving comes up, tap the highlight button to clip that moment. You can pull it up or share it straight from your dashboard once the meeting wraps. Once the call is over, head to your Fathom dashboard. The meeting lands in My Calls within about 30 seconds. Open it, and your full AI summary, action items, and searchable transcript are all ready to go. Your whole Google Meet captured and organized without you writing a word. That's the full workflow for Google Meet. Install the Chrome extension from Fathom Settings, join your call, hit Start Recording, and Fathom does the rest. New to Fathom, my full setup tutorial is in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.